In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Facebook code not received. Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and fast. So all what you have to do is simple. Just go open settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager, and then all what you have to do is wait a few seconds, go to apps, and then all what you have to do here on this page is simple. Just wait a few seconds and scroll down until you find the Facebook, and then all what you have to do here now is click on the storage option, and after that you will find this clear data option right here. Click on it and clear cache. Go back, click on the force stop option, and then restart your phone and the problem is gonna be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later and thank you so much.